Drivers, hands off the controllers. This one's gonna get good. In 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. We are underway in match number 120. Golden ratio, 12-6-82. Up they go with 3. Opening their gate. 1, 2, 3. We see 2 robots colliding in the midfield. That will be some penalty points earned, but 84-17 in red with the Chuck machine trying to pick up the slack as Golden Ratio continues to grab artifacts and score them into their top goal in autonomous. 3 shots drained from Chuck for another 6 points as 12-6-82 continues to open their classifier and cycle 3-by-3 shots. Robots currently motionless as autonomous comes to a close.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three,
2, 1, off they go. Drivers take control. 14-5-9-6, grabbing artifacts and stealing away from 84-17. 2-9-9-7 opening up their classifier once again as Golden Ratio continues to score from their human player station. Here comes 14-5-96 stealing from their own classifier. Artifacts being launched around the field as 84-17 tries to pick up what the Blue Alliance left behind. Golden Ratio from the back corner drains 2 out of 3, but 2-2-9-7 Infinibots is right there to get another 3 cycle in top. 84-17 trying to poach from their human player station side as 14-5-96 another turret bot continues to shoot from inside their launch zone. 12-6-82 shooting from the launch zone line. 2 of them go wide. Red Alliance has the lead, 115-84. 84-17 continues to shoot from close as they do not miss. Another 9-point swing for Red. 2-2-9-7 Infinibots doing the same. Another 9-point swing for Red again as they open up their classifier to make room for those artifacts. 12-6-82 on Blue continuing to shoot as another 9-point swing occurs. Contact in the middle of the field as 84-17 looks to disrupt the Golden Ratio. Golden Ratio now plays the defense on the number 3 seed, 2-2-9-7 Infinibots as 84-17 continues to shoot up top for the Red Alliance. Here comes 14-5-96. They're able to put 2 out of 3 up top. As 2-2-9-7 on the Red Alliance side continues to do the same. Cycling, opening. That's how you score fast in this game. 14-5-96 with 2 up top. Golden Ratio with 2 up top. Blue Alliance struggling to keep pace as Red Alliance has a 60-point advantage. 123-192. Red Alliance starting to pull away with this one. Blue Alliance needs to get ranking points for Golden Ratio to secure the 1 seed. 29 seconds to go as robots are still in action. The Chuck machine now heading back to their close launch zone. Lining up that limelight. Up they go with 1 out of 2. 14-5-96 draining shots from close. Like a layup. Bang! Shots going in from downtown from Golden Ratio. And they now use the small launch zone to their advantage. 3 of them go in like Steph Curry. Here comes Chuck. Lining themselves up. Another 1-2 go in for 4 points. Golden Ratio continuing to shoot. Parking time now. 5 seconds to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Are they in? Yes, it looks like they are. Break and then match. Replay match number 2. We have results for the highly anticipated match number 120 on the board. It's the Red Alliance with a score of 302.